Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. 50% off white tags. Yes on that. Regina Phalange. Yes to Phoebe on Friends. I didn't grab it though. I just ran in here quick and fast, right? And I was in the decor mode. So I was just walking around for a few. These were super cute. I actually put them in the cart, but at the end decided not to get them. This is just a bag of mini good, right? I see some baskets in there and things, all the Easter stuff, right? And these two bunnies reminded me so much of Sydney and Kara. They're so super cute. And then I saw these Pennsylvania, right? You guys know that's where I am. Renaissance. So I was like, darn, do I want this? I'm here. This is me, right? There were two of them, but I couldn't decide. And then I feel like I've seen this before. It was just in a different location, like on the other side of the store, right? And this right here, you guys are going to have to help me with. I am a bit of a novice, right? And I wasn't quite sure what this was, if it was missing a piece and what the engraving was and all of that. So I'm like, you guys will help me. And then I saw these cutie cute bunnies, right? Like a mom and dad. It was nothing spectacular about them besides the fact that they were cute and kind of that neutral color. So they were $2 a piece. I thought they were so super cute. So yeah, I'm just kind of walking around, right? Looking at some Easter good. Yes. Yes to all the books over here, and yes to this Mickey plate. I don't know what it is with me and the plates, one, and two, the fact that it said Mother's Day 1974. I was in awe. I love that plate so much. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm just kind of going through some of the books, Sleeping Beauty, right? I guess because I'm all into, Disney is always rocking with me. So the little engine that could, like, you better stop it on that. Everything was just so darn cute. And you know what? I didn't pick up one book, and afterwards I was like, darn, but they've been there for a little bit. So the next time I go back, I'm gonna really check them out. And then they had some happy planner things rocking, for Disney. So yes on that. Wow, I remember this book. I think I might still have it. That's crazy. And yes, on these baskets, every time I show these baskets, you guys are like, that's a good one, Tish. So I didn't need it. I didn't get it. I left it. And then, yeah, I'm still walking around. I almost grabbed this. And this was giving me Bridgerton vibes all the way, 100%. Almost grabbed that too, but I didn't. So yes, on all the little tiny cutie cute Easter. I think even though I'm decorated already, I was still kind of looking at Easter things. Everything was just so darn cute. And this right here, oh, why didn't I get it? It's just so tiny, like tier tray-y, I feel like. So I came across some dishes and things. So I'm just checking those out. It was a lot of farmy. I feel like it was a lot of that farmhouse stuff going on. And woo, I really like this. It was so pretty. I don't know if it was like that wire down there or what. It just gave it so much character, and I thought it was so pretty, but I have nowhere, to actually put it. And then I came across this shelf and it had like all the plates, so I was checking the plates out, right? And then another basket, right? I thought about this because I love the handles. I love the way the basket was woven, right? It was really cute. $8, I feel like. but again, I left it. So this was the last thing I saw before we head home, and you see what I put in the cart, right? But I wanted to show you this real quick and fast. I'll see you when we get home. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, 3 things I picked up. This was a quick and fast one. White tags, right? I think it said were 50% off, but I didn't really see anything. I didn't go through the clothes this time. I was just, I don't know, in a decor mood. You know what I mean? So, let me show you what I picked up. The bunnies, right? I don't know why. I just instantly, when I looked at them, thought of Sydney and Kara. You know what I mean? Sisters rocking, chilling together, right? I thought it was so darn cute. And the one with the face, that's Kara. That is Kara all the way. So, yes on that. I'm just going to, this is how she be in her room, right? Where her leg up on the pillow. That is funny. So, it was $1. So, in the cart, right? I'm just going to put this maybe on the island or, I don't know, on a ladder probably. So, yes. This is me and hubby all the way, right? The carrots and the eggs. So I'm rocking the eggs in here. Isn't it so cute? That's so cute. And the basket is like so real, so tiny. That's why I like it. And then he's rocking the carrots. So yes on that. I love the stitching on it and everything. The hearts, the apron, all of that is rocking. I just thought that they were cute. So I'm going to set these up. These were $2, 2 and 2. Yes. And I grabbed this. Oh my goodness. 1 year off from me. I'm a 1975 baby, but I couldn't leave it. This is so pretty to me. Mother's Day 1974. Yes, on the Mickey. So this is about to come out after this, right? All the Easter. This is going to come out. What does it say on the back? The Disney Family Collector Series Limited First Edition. Walt Disney's 1974 Mother's Day plate. So you're not supposed to, eat on it or anything. It's just for decor purposes. But, oh my goodness. Yes on this. I love this so much. So that's all I got. I was tempted to get a couple of the books that I showed, but I don't need the books. But then afterwards I thought of Kara, right? Because she's all about the books. So if I go back and I see some things still rocking, I'll get 1 or 2. But yeah, other than that, I'm so excited about this. So that was a quick and fast and, grabbed a couple things and go binge watch, catch up, right, on Dollar Tree and Dollar General. I finally hit that dollar deal section. I was missing out. Oh my goodness. So that's rocking. And yeah, I think that's it for now. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.